Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I'm excited to have you here as we explore the topic of PE ratio. This is the first slide, and it sets the stage for what's to come. We'll be diving into what the PE ratio is, why it's important, and how it can help us make smarter investment decisions. So, let's get started and uncover the insights together. Let's take a closer look at the PE ratio. This is a key financial metric that helps us understand investor sentiment and valuation. Essentially, it shows how much investors are willing to pay for each dollar of a company's earnings. So, a higher PE ratio might indicate that investors expect higher growth in the future, while a lower PE could suggest the opposite. The formula is straightforward: market price per share divided by earnings per share, or EPS. By calculating this ratio, we get a sense of how the market values the company's earnings today. Understanding the PE ratio is important because it connects directly to the overall theme of valuation and investment decisions. It helps us compare companies, assess market expectations, and make more informed choices about where to invest. Let's look at what a high PE ratio signifies. When a company has a high PE ratio, it generally means that investors are expecting strong future growth from that company. They are willing to pay a premium now because they believe the earnings will increase significantly down the line. However, it's also important to note that a high PE can sometimes mean the stock is overvalued, which could pose a risk. On the other hand, a low PE ratio usually indicates lower growth expectations. Investors might see this as a sign that the stock could be undervalued, making it potentially a good buy. But it could also mean there's some risk involved or that the company's prospects aren't as bright. Now, let's interpret what the PE ratio really tells us. Essentially, it shows how much investors are willing to pay for each rupee of earnings. For example, if a company's share price is 100 rupees and its earnings per share are 10 rupees, then the PE ratio is 10. This means investors are paying 10 rupees for every 1 rupee of earnings, reflecting their expectations about the company's future growth and profitability. All right, as we wrap up, I want to encourage you to engage with this content by liking and sharing it if you found it valuable. Your support helps spread these ideas to a wider audience. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on future presentations like this one. Remember, building a community around these concepts is key to making a lasting impact. So if you're inspired, take that next step. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for being part of this journey.